How to use Clipboard history on Android with Gboard. This tutorial shows you how to access and manage everything you've recently copied. First, open any app where you can type. This could be your Notes app, a chat, or anywhere that brings up the keyboard. From there, tap on the text field to bring up Gboard. After that, tap the Clipboard icon in the Gboard toolbar at the top of the keyboard. If you don't see it, tap the arrow on the left side of the toolbar to reveal more options. At this point, your Clipboard history will open, showing everything you've recently copied. Text, links, and other content will all be listed there. Following this, tap on any item in the clipboard to paste it instantly into the text field. From here, if you want to pin an item so it doesn't disappear from your clipboard after an hour, tap and hold on it and select Pin. Pinned items stay in your clipboard history until you manually remove them. After that, if you want to delete a specific item from your clipboard, tap and hold on it and select Delete. Finally, if you want to edit a clipboard item before pasting it, tap the pencil icon on it to make changes first. Keep in mind that unpinned clipboard items are automatically cleared after 1 hour, so pin anything important if you need to access it later. That's how you use clipboard history on Android with Gboard. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.